Welcome to Practically. We bring learning alive. Recently, we completed one fast track course on NTSC, which will help you in the upcoming NTSC exams. And now we are excited to bring you a new fast track program for one shot videos and sample papers. These one shots will cover your entire chapter from the term 2 syllabus. We are bringing this course for class 9th and 10th. Concepts will be covered in depth over here. These will benefit you in writing the subjective based questions. Attend this free course starting from 1st of February 2022. To give you a glimpse of what's in the store, let's have a look at what our teachers have to say. Pranati ma'am.
Mathematics is and always has been a scoring subject in the board exams. So, to make your preparation for it easier, we will be discussing all the concepts of every chapter from properties to theorems and proofs. This is the mathematics term 2 syllabus for class 9 and 10 along with a marking scheme. To make you understand better how would we deal with every chapter, I have taken example of two different chapters from class 9 and 10 respectively. Circles is one of the chapters from class 9. We will be studying all the properties related to circles, theorems and also proofs for it. Later, we will be solving some sample questions where we would apply the concepts which we have studied. And for class 10, without being said, we all know how important the surface area and volume chapter is. From this, we will be studying all the related formulae and topics of 3D objects like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. Along with it, we will also solve problems involving the conversion of one type of metallic solid into another and other mixed problems. These are the type of questions we will be solving it. And now, let us learn the understanding of subject biology through Smithin sir.
Learning biology is fun, especially with interactive sessions having beautiful illustrations. And we are here to help you remember important concepts using flowcharts, mind maps and mnemonics. And we have curated some important questions considering the exam pattern. Well, Practically has something more to offer. We have numerous 3D simulations which helps both teachers and students to explain and understand concepts well in detail. For example, here is a part of human anatomy explaining the male and female reproductive system. Isn't it fascinating? It truly brings learning alive. And based on that, we have many important and interesting questions to help you score well. Now, Tanvi ma'am will give some insights about chemistry.
Now let's see how we are going to cover our chemistry syllabus. This is one of the topic of class 9, that is law of conservation of mass. It was given by Lavoisier in 1789 and it states that the matter can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical change. Or simply we can say that the total mass of the product is always equal to the total mass of the reactant. Correct? But how to apply this law in questions? So these are the sample questions. Here you can see that how the question has been framed. Now this is one of the topic of class 10th where we will learn about the trends in modern periodic table. Whenever we are moving across a period, then the atomic size goes on decreasing. And whenever we move down to the group, then the atomic size increases. So here, these are the sample questions. So you have seen that how the questions have been asked and you need to know how to frame an answer. So we will learn this in our one shot series. Now let's see what Jilani sir has to tell about coding.
Computer science is one of the most important subject for the examination. For class 9 computer science, we are going to cover topics such as basics of computer system, basics of computer network, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. For class 10 computer science, we are going to cover topics such as basics of networking, web services, basic tags in HTML and CSS properties. Now let's take one of the example topic of the class 10, that is cascading style sheets. So CSS are used to apply different styles for the web pages, including the design and the layout. How we write the CSS code? This is how we write the CSS code. Here H1 is known as the selector and the code from starting bracket till to the ending bracket is known as the CSS declaration. In this CSS declaration, we write the CSS style properties separated by the semicolon. Here color points to the property and ret is the value of that particular property. If we take the another example of this CSS, this is how we write the CSS code. Here P is the CSS selector, text align is the property, and center is the value of that property. Here are the sample questions that may be asked on the CSS. See you all guys in the classes. Do enroll for this course on the Practically app for free, which is going to start from 1st of February. Thank you.
Don't forget to enroll for this course on Practically app. Just go to the app and you will find a banner for class 9th and class 10th. Just go to the respective banner of your desire and you will be taken to the enrollment page. There you can enroll for this course for free. So don't forget to join. See you there. Bye bye.
Bring learning alive practically.